Hey guys, so I bought this laser on Amazon. It's a self-leveling laser, and I haven't got to use it yet. I opened it up and took the batteries out and charged them, but I haven't actually got to use the laser. So we'll check it out here, see what we got. We got some plastic that the batteries were wrapped in. We've got a manual, so for the reviews on this laser that says it don't come with a manual, it definitely comes with a manual, and it's called a Jacoa Cleaver, and it shoots 16 lines. It says up to 150 feet. Now I'm gonna go ahead and assume that that's visible 150 feet. I didn't read anything about the pulse mode on this one, but some of these attachments are pretty nice. This is a changeover for some tripods. Here is a scissoring stand that you can adjust the height of your laser. You just set it on there and screw it, and it works like a scissor jack. Here's a wall bracket that's metal, so you can screw this to the wall and then put this magnetic one. Over here's the magnetic one. Let me show you that. Here's one of the batteries. It comes with 2 batteries. It's supposed to last, with all 4 lasers going on the low light setting, it's supposed to last 10 hours. But I only use one at a time, so it should last longer than that. And that's 10 hours with both batteries for a total of 10. Should be 5 hours apiece. And they take a Type-C charger. The charger's included, but I've already charged these, so the charger's in my truck. And here is the magnetic adjustable stand. It's got really strong magnets on it. So this bottom dial adjusts your pitch. This top dial will raise and lower your laser, and then the side dial will spin it or rotate it. So this is made for a different tripod, and here's the actual laser. So I've already got a full battery in here. So on the side of this is a lock and unlock. So to go in manual mode, you'll want to lock this thing. Right now it's locked. If you see the unlock, it's locked. So now you can watch these levels float, but you can see this thing. It should. Yeah, you see it floating? That's because I unlocked the gyroscope. So now the H is for horizontal, so we can turn on another laser. Right now the top and bottom lasers are what's on. I can turn both of them off. I turned off the bottom. You push it again, it turns off the top. You push the V and it turns on the vertical. So there's the vertical. Push the V again, it turns on the other vertical. So that's how you can make crosses. Push the V again, and that leaves one vertical. Now that's the laser that I use the most. So if you look, I'm gonna try to show you up here in the ceiling. That green line right there is that laser. This is in a well-lit building, so it's pretty nice. That ceiling is approximately 36 feet from the floor. So there's the floor. 36 feet up, you can see it. Now I'll walk out and show you how far you can actually see it. But first, I want to show you, if you hit this button right here, you can adjust the brightness of the laser. So it's got 3 different settings. So now I'm gonna walk as far as I can see this laser, and I'll get right back with you. Alright, so I can comfortably say that it's hard to see on camera, but just to the right of them screws is where that laser runs. All the way, there you go, you can see that line there if you focus. So we are, these columns are 50 feet, so here's a column, so that's 50, 100, 150 feet. So it actually does reach 150 feet. So if you're looking for a good laser, if you put it in the center of your run, then it reaches 150 feet each way. So you could potentially cover a 300-foot area with a straight line. So if y'all are looking for a good laser, the Milwaukee ones are 500 plus. I bought this one for 80 bucks on Amazon. It comes with all those mounts. So far, I'm impressed. I'll put a link in the description where you can get it. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all our future videos.